I enter the kitchen. I enter the kitchen. I put on my apron.
I put on my apron.
I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I open the fridge. I open the fridge. I take out the milk. I take out the milk. I close the fridge door. I close the fridge door. I boil the water. I boil the water. I pour the water into a mug. I pour the water into a mug. I stir my tea with a spoon. I stir my tea with a spoon. I chop the onions. I chop the onions. I peel the potato. I peel the potato. I slice the bread. I slice the bread. I spread butter on my toast. I spread butter on my toast. I crack an egg. I crack an egg. I whisk the eggs. I whisk the eggs. I turn on the stove. I turn on the stove. I heat the pan. I heat the pan. I fry the egg. I fry the egg. I flip the pancake. I flip the pancake. I season the food with salt. I season the food with salt. I smell the delicious aroma. I smell the delicious aroma. I set the table. I set the table. I sit down to eat. I sit down to eat. I take a big bite. I take a big bite. I chew my food slowly. I chew my food slowly. I sip my cold juice. I sip my cold juice. I wipe my mouth with a napkin. I wipe my mouth with a napkin. I clear the table. I clear the table. I scrape the leftovers. I scrape the leftovers. I rinse the dirty plate.
I rinse the dirty plate.
I scrub the pan with a sponge. I scrub the pan with a sponge. I dry the dishes. I dry the dishes. I sweep the kitchen floor. I sweep the kitchen floor. I take out the trash. I take out the trash. I turn off the kitchen light. I turn off the kitchen light.
Let's replay! Let's replay!
Hi everyone, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Click the button and hit the bell.